Assalamualaikum. It is ANBUBRU team members. Me, Muhammad Aidil bin Saimi, Zarif bin Ismail, Muhammad Khairul Zikri bin Muhammad Azim, and Isyafin Syahriah. Alright, this is flow of content. Start with introduction, schematic drawing explanation, method of analysis, performance calculation, and suggestion for improvement. Introduction. This study aims to replace fuels that emit hydrocarbons to carbonless and also find renewable sources to be used as fuels. The first purpose is to replace hydrocarbon fuels to carbonless using hydrogen base. Second, we study the material which is listed as ammonia and also biogas. Experiments were conducted to get the results of which material is the most suitable and efficient to be used as a substitute for gasoline. Next, we continue to design, build, test the advanced electrical generator components, and develop the industrial partnership. Schematic diagram and explanation. The free piston linear alternator illustrated in this slide has been designed in hopes approaching either auto cycle performance through a CCI operation. In this configuration, high compression ratios can be used and rapid combustion can be achieved. The linear generator is designed such that electricity is generated directly from the piston's oscillating motion, as rare earth permanent magnets feeds to the piston are driven back and forth through the alternator's coil. Combustion occurs alternately at each end of the piston, and a modern two-stroke cycle scavenging process is used. The alternator component controls the piston motion and thus the extent of cylinder gas compression by efficiently managing the piston's kinetic energy through each stroke. Compression of the fuel or admixture is achieved initially, and as a result, mechanically simple variable compression ratio design is possible with sophisticated electronic control.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zarif bin Ismail and I will continue this presentation with method of analysis for the internal combustion for the engine. In method of analysis, we use graph and equation. The graph has been sketched by using the data from the experiment by using three different types of gases, which is biogas, ammonia, and hydrogen. Next, I will talk about the equation. We are using equation to find the internal energy, which is U, and the next equation is about the heat addition and rejection process, and last but not least is the thermal efficiency equation. That's all from me. Thank you. We proceed with another presenter.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Isyafin Syahriah. I'll be explaining the performance calculation for this project. In this project, there are three types of gas are involved, which are hydrogen gas, ammonium gas, and biomass gas. Auto cycle was selected for this particular experiment. All the gases has different initial temperature and compression ratio throughout this experiment, but in here we're going to explain only focus on hydrogen fuel combustion engine calculation, because hydrogen fuel has quicker tendency to burn than other two gases. This experiment was carried out single stroke rapid compression machine with the compression ratio of 30:1 and initial temperature 24 degrees Celsius. But we need to first determine the internal energy to evaluate the efficiency based on each cycle which are recorded on previous. At step number 1, we can directly get the internal energy by the ideal gas hydrogen table. For step number 2, at assuming the correct cycle at isentropic, we can first get the temperature and the internal energy. For step number 3 and 4, for the evaluating temperature, we need to use the gas law equation respectively. After that, we can evaluate the internal energy for step number 3 and step number 4. After evaluating all the internal energy, we can determine the heat addition and heat rejection for this process. So for the thermal efficiency, we can easily see after evaluating heat addition and heat rejection that the result is 59%. However, the efficiency will decrease because there is an equivalent ratio of 0.319 in case of considering heat losses, friction and other things. So the overall efficiency will be 57%.
because can help the environment to reduce the problem of pollution that has happened now and into the future, because now our world has been much affected due to our technologies, especially those are not environment friendly. This problem cause various pollution problems are increased the statistic every day like air, water and noise pollution. So that's all from us. Thank you.